Why humans wear shoe thingies on their paws, I will never understand. But it's a good thing they do because I love the way they smell and taste. I could chew on them all day. And in fact, I take every opportunity to indulge when human number 2 leaves the shoe thingy room unguarded. You got to sleep sometime, human number 2. For some strange reason, she gets very upset when I help myself and yells at me while her face turns red. Who says we're colorblind? Look, I know it's frowned upon, but it's like a buffet with heels and I can't help myself. What can I say? I'm a dog, and a dog has to do what a dog has to do. By now you're probably wondering why I'm going on and on about these shoes. Well, in this lesson, we're going to discuss liquidity. This liquidity doesn't involve water, but may involve some slobber. What it does refer to is the ease or difficulty in buying or selling something. So let's just imagine I wanted to buy a big, thick, juicy steak, and I got the idea to try sell some of these chewed up old shoes to raise the moolah. Would it be difficult or easy to sell the shoes? Hint, humans just don't seem to share a dog's appreciation for shoes with a few chew marks. Thus far, I've been unsuccessful in locating a market for chewed up shoes, making this an illiquid market. Now, if humans were lined up around the block to buy the shoes, they would be easy to sell, and that would be a highly liquid market. When we make a trade in the stock market, we want to know we can do it easily, with a good idea of the price at which it will occur. Liquidity makes this possible. It's kind of a big deal. Big dogs look for liquid markets with at least 800,000 shares per day. Yep, that's a lot, and later, I'll explain why this is so important. Woof! Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and maybe even like this video if you're so inclined. Who's a good human? You are. Woof!